Hello guys, traders and viewers. I especially welcome you to my channel. It's your boy Kelvin with another video for you guys to learn from and get vital information that will help you in your trading journey or other financial areas. You can as well follow me on Instagram. The link is right at the description section for more direct content. If you're new to my channel, please show your boy some love by clicking the subscribe button and also the like button. And for new updates of my content, you can turn on the notification so you won't miss out on my content. Okay, let's get right into the video. See you after the intro. Today we are discussing about the review I made last week for GBPUSD. Okay, so now my previous review stated that GBPUSD is in a downtrend because it's mitigated this supply zone at the top. Okay, and it broke structure to the downside. As you can see, it broke this structure to the downside. Okay, and shifted bearish. Okay, and now it has mitigated this weekly supply zone, and it has shifted also to bearish, but due to this structure here hasn't been broken. Okay, so it is still bullish. It is very bullish, and I stated that on my previous review. Okay, now looking at the daily, you can see the daily chart. This is a new week. Okay, and let's move to the 4-hour where I'll concentrate on mainly. So in the 4-hour, let me just take this zone off of this place. Okay, now so we'll have a clear chart. So in the 4-hour, what did we see last week? Okay, I talked about this supply zone. Okay, I talked about this supply zone in the 4-hour. Okay, and hopefully price mitigated the supply zone. Okay, so now it gave us a reaction to the downside, but due to the 4-hour is pretty bullish, okay, from previous price action, the demands are mostly stronger than the supplies, so it taps into this 4-hour demand and it shot back up. Okay, now so my area of interest is this area here. So this is the 1-hour supply zone that I talked to you guys about on my previous GBPUSD review. Okay, and as you can see, price with strong momentum shot just price just blew it for me. Okay, I didn't see any trading opportunities at this zone, but that's trading. Fortunately enough, there was a nearest supply zone right here, which is at the extreme. I was never expecting price to come to this level because through my experiences of trading, when zones are stacked up in trees, the middle zone tends to hold more than this other one. Okay, turning here to liquidity and making this middle zone the stronger one, and the extreme zone tends to leave people out. Okay, people who trade at the extreme, it tends to make them miss out on the trade. Okay, from my previous experiences. So now let's go into the 15 minutes time frame. So I will show you guys some things I saw in the market. Okay, so now previously, like I said, I talked about this zone here in the 15 minutes. Okay, and as you can see, price didn't even react much. It just blew past the zone. Okay, which is normal because yeah, that's trading. Okay, so but before I go right into this major review, I saw this resistance. I saw a supply zone. Okay, so this is the full supply zone. Okay, so let me just make it full, but I refined it. This is the full supply zone, and as you can see, a supply zone is stacked here, a supply zone is stacked here, a supply zone is stacked here. And now this supply zone is quite fresh. As you can see, it has imbalances. It broke structure by the left, and it created liquidity just above here to target. And as you can see, this zone got liquidated. Why? There are three zones stacked here. Okay, so if you go to the 5 minutes time frame, let me just explain this to you so you understand. This is the whole zone here. So there is zone 1, which is the whole of this area. This is zone 2. As you can see, just this small area here have your zone 2, and this is the zone 3. Okay, and when three zones are stacked like this, the middle zones tends to hold stronger. Okay, that is why I refine my zone to this area. Okay, that is why I refine my zone to this area. And if you can see, price tapped in perfectly fine. So that is it. So now going to the 5 minutes, which is my entry time frame where I take sniper entries, you can see price taps into the zone. Okay, and I do it for confirmation, and my confirmation is basically break of candle, which is this candle that is here, this bullish candle here. So when price came in, it tapped me in. I set a limit order here, so it tapped me in. We went into a little bit of drawdown, and price started melting down. But due to, like I said previously, the 4 hour is still bullish. Okay, so price tends to react to this 1 hour demand area. So this 1 hour demand area, and price reacted off of it. And I thought price would break below this level because my analysis was price will shift bearish anytime soon, and I thought this would be the zone that will do it. But how fortunate I was wrong. Okay, that's how it is in the market. We wait for better opportunities, and as you can see, I targeted this support below here, but price didn't even flinch. Price didn't even give me at least half of my take profits, half of my risk to reward. But any which way we move on. So as you can see, today price mitigated this zone at the extreme, and I waited to see trading opportunities. And okay, in my trading plan, in a major shift, I wait for a break of structure. Okay, and I wait for price to retest the order block or the demand or supply zone that caused that break of structure. And as you can see, this was the supply zone that caused that break of structure. Okay, so price taps me in. Okay, normally I wait for a confirmation candle, which is this here, and I took my trade just here. Price tapped us in, and we were not in any drawdown, and it started melting down. Okay, so now there's every tendency that price will still push up. Why? Because of this demand zone here, this 1 hour demand created at this area. Okay, and 4 hour is pretty bullish. Okay, but due to this reaction is coming out from a higher time frame supply zone. Okay, I'm anticipating a break of this bullish. Okay, I'm anticipating a break of this bullish demand zone right here. So if price breaks this bullish demand zone to the downside, okay, I take my 50% off, immediately breaks this structure, and allow the rest to run free. Okay, so that is just the analysis, but I just said let me give you this analysis because forex is a game of probability. Okay, you might say something and another thing happens, but any which way we adapt to the system. Okay, forex is very volatile, and all of us are aware of that. So as you can see, we are still on this trade. Okay, and hopefully it drops breaks this demand zone or gives it a little bit of reaction, and then flip it, and we continue. So that is my preview for now. Okay, if there's any other updates, I will let you guys know. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. And if you want to support me, you want to support my content, please don't forget to share to your friends. Okay, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. So thank you all for watching.